Hey guys, well, me and my brother are camping right now, and we're looking for this rare creature known as an Isaac. The locals say it's supposed to be extremely dangerous and vicious. So we're just gonna stand around the campsite real fast and check for it. What's that? Oh my god, I think we found him! I think we found him! He's eating an almond! Oh! Where did he go? What the hell's going on here? Oh, we barely escaped that attack. The Isaac's ruthless. Okay, so we just set an almond trap since he seemed to have been eating them before. We're gonna see if we actually got anything. There he is! There he is! Oh, he got some almonds! He's eating almonds! Get him! Get him! He is way too fast to catch. Well, it seems like he killed my brother. So, now it's time for payback. What's that? He seems to be doing his signature dance. Time to die. It's finally over. Now we can all rest. What was that? A rare specimen approaches. The dark choo-choo.